Zoom meetings, every teacher has an option to mute everyone, like, when it is your will to unmute or mute.
Okay, okay. Okay, I'm doing that. Because I don't
Hey,
want to.
Sonal, you can continue with the class. I'll look into it.
Thank you, sir. Okay, okay, fine. Let me share.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Roblox Studio keeps saying the Roblox crashed.
Okay, we'll deal with it. Okay, we'll deal
Because
with
you
it.
haven't downloaded it properly.
Yeah, download it, or you need to check the configuration of your laptop or your desktop.
Miss.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Wait. Anchor means that the thing will just stay in the air. Not it will not fall down.
Okay, yeah. Okay, if you anchor it, it won't fall down. That's cool. That's correct.
No.
Okay, now hold it, class. Okay, let us complete this thing. Okay, if you want to change the color of the part, you just go on the color and change whatever color you want.
Hello, Miss.
Yes. Hello. Okay, hold it. Okay, now one more thing I want to tell you. If you want to duplicate, what you do, we usually Control C, Control V, right?
And then
Control D also works.
That's perfect. Yes, but what we are going to do here is we are going to press Control D. Why? It will duplicate, but it will stay on the block.
also
So that
a duplicate option at the front.
Yes, that is okay. Yeah, we can do that also. Multiple options, but we prefer, or
You can also, excuse me, you can also duplicate it by right clicking on it sometimes.
Very good. Okay.
Control D is faster.
Okay, Control D if you do. See, the block is duplicated, but you cannot see anywhere. So what you have to do is you just have to use this move block on the top and move it. Okay. And slide it little up so that it looks like a step. Okay. Change the color.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Duplicated ma'am, since you duplicated the block, so hence it will also have the anchor, right?
Wait.
Exactly. You have the anchor too. One more time, I'm duplicating it. Okay, I'm little
Ma'am,
bit.
what if you're not able to download the
Are you
Roblox Studio?
streaming on YouTube?
Can you make like hobbies like this? Just there's like different kind of steps and
Correct.
Yes.
Okay.
Did you add the living on YouTube? Because we're on live right now.
Sorry.
Well,
Yeah, live
this is
YouTube.
my third time downloading Roblox Studio. I don't hope it will work.
Ma'am,
Okay.
what if you're not able to download Roblox Studio?
Okay, then I'll help. No, it's just properly you have to download it. Okay. Okay, or check the configuration of your laptop. Okay.
I just recently make some games.
Okay, fine. Let us complete this class, and now we are jumping on the script part. Okay, so we are going to do script on this block. Okay, we are going to do script on this part of the game. Okay, so what you have to do, class, first thing, be on the part. Okay, then you see a plus sign. Okay, click on the plus sign. Okay, then you see a script here. Do you see a script? Right. So click on the script. Okay. So this is a default script which comes that print hello world. Okay.
Wait, so we need to like know actual coding for this, like HTML, Bootstrap, or something.
Not really. Okay.
You need to know Lua.
Yes, you need to know Lua. Okay, a little bit inside about Lua. Okay, Lua is portable.
Can you duplicate again because I accidentally left, if it's possible?
What did you miss?
I missed the duplicating because I accidentally left and then
you just need to Control D.
Just Control D or right click, or there's also like a copy paste one.
Yes, you need to Control D. That's it. Okay. Now, class, Lua script. Okay, don't get afraid of you need to learn script or this and that. It's very easy. Okay, Lua script is very easy. It is just like an English language. You can just keep writing. Okay, and it is portable.
I'm watching it live.
What is portable? Portable means it can be
it can be like transferable
from one to another.
Yeah, it can be used in any of the devices, or it can be run on any of the devices, maybe on your phone, maybe on your tablet, maybe on your Mac PC or Windows, anywhere. Okay.
But we can build games just on PC. I don't know.
Okay. Okay, class. Let us continue. Okay. Now this script. Okay. Now this script print hello world. Now where this will be seen, I want to show you that first. When I run. Okay.
It turned black.
Yeah, wait, it'll come. Okay, I'm running my code. Now where does that hello world? Yeah.
On the output tab.
Correct. So from where you'll get the output, you have to go in view. Okay. And then in one of this box, you will have output. Click on the output. Here is your code. Okay, right now.
Ma'am, I have a question.
How did you?
In the chat, it will say hello world or something like that.
Yeah, it's there, right?
Yeah.
It's there. See?
This can be used for debugging like random scripts. Like
Exactly.
whatever code.
Exactly. You can do that.
How did you start to run?
Wait. There's a run button.
There's a run button on the top.
Click on it and it runs.
I will show you. I will show you one more time. Yes. Okay, class. One more time. I'm telling you this. Okay. See, on the top, you have a play button. Okay. There is a play here and run. Okay.
Run is just for testing the script mainly.
Yeah,
Exactly.
and play is for like playing it for.
Yeah, playing exactly
Play
from
is
where
for
you want
play
to.
testing.
Okay. Play is from where exactly. Okay.
Where is the publish button?
Okay. I will tell you. First, let us complete at least the appear and disappear today. Okay, class? Then I'll tell you how do we publish it. Okay?
After the dot in this thing.
Yes, correct. Okay. Now I have stopped this. Go back to script. So how do we start?
I have a question.
Yes, tell me.
When we print something, it doesn't appear in the game. Then why do we use the print command?
Okay. Now print command is for testing.
Don't mute.
Okay.
Bug testing.
For testing purpose. Okay. Consider if you're writing some code and you want to test if that particular function or if that particular loop is moving or giving you a proper output or not. Okay. That particular function, you can use a print and call it inside that. Okay.
So it can be used to debug something.
Exactly.
Like for example, if you have a proximity prompt and you press that proximity prompt, it will you can use a print to see if the proximity prompt works.
Okay. Now, yes, good. Thank you so much. Okay, now let us start. So first thing, what you're going to write is local. Okay, and I'm going to make a variable. Your variable can be anything. Okay, you can make any variable. Consider I make a variable platform. Okay, and equal to script.
How do you make a variable?
I'll tell you. Just write
Can
it.
we read one at a time?
Sorry.
How to make your own characters?
That is yeah, that is a different thing, dear.
Wait,
okay, that is VFX, that is Roblox and all.
What does the command local do?
I'll tell you. Okay, now this platform is a variable. First thing, what is a variable? Variable is like a container which holds values, just like your glass or any container which can hold water, juice, coffee and all. So here we are just placing any variable. You can write your name also. You can write anything here. Okay, because you need to use this variable. And inside this, why did I use local? Okay, because only this platform is going to be used in this particular script. Okay, that is locally it will be used. Okay, it's not going to use somewhere else in any other script, but locally inside this particular script. Okay, now is equal to script. It says is equal to script dot parent. What is script dot parent? See, on the right side you have a script. Yeah. Yes, tell me.
Script the parent means it is selecting what it is the script parent means. In what thing are we putting the script in?
Okay, now why we are putting script dot parent? Because on the right side you have a script. Okay, from this script, what we want, okay, from this parent part is the parent. Okay, just a second, class.
I got one
I don't see a screen.
Ma'am, you stop sharing the screen.
Why isn't it working?
Guys, can you be quiet?
Is there a way to mute all participants?
I can't see anything.
Me too. What should I do?
What happened?
Guys, have you ever wondered why you can't
We are
see
not
anything?
able to see anything.
It's because Miss has stopped sharing screen.
I know.
Okay, class.
We
Okay,
need
hold
to
it.
be quiet.
Yeah,
Everybody's
class.
talking so much.
Yeah, everyone's talking so much. It's causing, and nobody can hear what I'm trying to say.
Ah.
Okay. At the end, I will take everyone's
Can you
questions.
did one
Okay.
at a time?
Sorry. Okay, I will take everyone's question. Okay, at the end. Now let's do the coding part. Okay, now what is script dot parent? On the right side you have a script. Okay, that is the script from the parent is the part here, so you're going to use that. Okay, so that is why I have used script dot parent. Now class, we are going to make functions. Okay,
Sonal, just unmute yourself once. Hey kids, I have muted everyone. You all can always ask questions, but let ma'am finish first. At the end, ma'am will take all the questions. Okay, happy coding. Unmute yourself, Stone.
okay. Fine. So this is the first line of the code, and now let us make a function. Okay, first understand what is a function. Function is something that you build once. You don't have to call it everywhere. Okay, so you build once and call it by name in any part of the script you want. Okay, so first function of ours is, okay, first function we are going to use is appear or disappear. Okay, a block is going to be disappeared. So I'm saying local. Okay, then what I'm going to write is after this function. Okay, now local function, and I'm going to write the name of the function. Okay, let me appear. And whenever you write a function, opening and closing bracket is important. Okay, and then you press enter. So this is basically you're creating a function. Okay, now class, what are you going to put inside this? That is important. Okay, now I'm going to explain it to you. Whenever you're on the part, okay, and the properties that you see of the part, okay, when you scroll down, two things are important. One is can collide and one is transparency. What does can collide means? Can collide means if you can go on the block, and if it is false, you cannot go on the block. Okay, and what is transparency? You're going to see or either if you're not going to see it. So I'm just going to help you. Okay, do you see this transparency property here? When it is a 0, okay, yes, thank you, Nikki. Okay, when it is 0, okay, that means that you can see the block. Okay, when you turn it down to 1, you're not able to see the block. Do you see it here? Okay, so that is how we're going to make it work. Okay, now going back on code, we are going to deal when you want appear. So first thing, you're going to take your variable platform. From this platform, what I want, okay, I want my can collide. Okay, so for appear, my can collide is obviously going to be true because I want to see it. Okay, I want to be on the block. Okay, and then again the variable dot transparency is equal to, now what did I say? If it is 0, you're able to see it. If it is 1, you're not able to see it. Okay, so here if your can collide is true, then your transparency is going to be 0. Okay, because you want to see the block. Okay, now easy thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy it. I'm going to paste it. Now my another function is going to be, I'm going to change the name of the function, that is disappear. Okay, now here what I'm going to do is can collide, I'm going to make it false. Okay, and my transparency is going to be 1. Understood? Now class, I have just made the function. Okay, now nothing is going to happen because I need to call it. Okay, food is there on the table. Okay, food is there on the table. Now you need to eat it, right? So that is what we're going to do. Okay, so we are going to use while loop. What we're going to do? We're going to use a while loop. Okay, I'm not going to explain you much about the while loop. Okay, let's while loop. Okay, now in this loop, I'll just give you a brief. The code will keep running until and unless the value is true. If it hits false, it will stop running. Okay, just understand that much. So if your while loop is true, then what we need to do? Okay, what we need to do is we are going to wait. Okay, consider we are going to wait for 3 seconds. Okay, my block is displayed or will be visible for 3 seconds. Okay, and after that, I'm going to call a function disappear. Okay, now my block will disappear. Again, I will make the block disappear for 3 seconds. Okay, and then make it appear again. Easy, simple. Okay, whenever it's true, it will be displayed 3 seconds. Then again, a function disappear will come, where this function will be executed, and then wait for 3 seconds, and then appear function will be executed. I hope that is clear. Now let us run and check. Okay, I hope you know how to run this. On the top you have play. Okay, you can play here or play. Okay, I'm just going to play for now. Okay, here I am. I'm just going to rotate. Do you see this block blinking? Okay, that is how I'm going to wait. It is just 3 seconds. Oh, I've already fallen down. Okay, understood class, how to make a block appear or disappear. Okay, now I'm going to use the same code for the third one. What I'm going to do, I don't have to do it all over again. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this whole thing. Okay, and go back on the third block, plus sign, script, and then delete this one and paste it. Easy? Easy? Okay. Now, I think that much is for appear and disappear block. And now I wanted to do the lava block also. Okay, but it will be too much of coding for you guys to understand. But I'm going to show you the trampoline. Okay, how to make a trampoline. It's very simple. Going ahead here, I'm going to take apart maybe a cylinder. Okay, I have it here. Let me make the cylinder first nicely. Okay, I'm going to go here. Okay, and use this move scale. Okay, I'm going to scale it down. I'm going to rotate. On the top there is a rotate. Okay, rotate it like this. Okay, now let me scale it this way. Okay, let me have it clear view. Okay, okay, I think that's too much. Okay, yeah, that's perfect. Okay, fine. I think that's perfect. I'm just going to go ahead and color it. Okay, you can have one more circle at the base. Okay, so that it looks like it's a jumping thing. Okay, now it is very simple class. Very simple means very simple. You just need a little bit of physics. Okay, how many of you know velocity? Just raise your hand. What is velocity? How many of you know? Yeah, I think velocity everyone knows. Okay, now we are going to go in this part and the properties here. Okay, now I'm going to scroll down. Okay, and then you see a velocity thing. Let's anchor it first. Okay, do you see a velocity linear, assembly linear here? And then you have a assembly angular. Okay, so here in when you see it earlier, it was showing velocity, but in the upgrade of Roblox, now it is showing assembly linear. Now linear means straight. Okay, now if I click here, see there is x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. Okay, what does trampoline mean, class? The player is going to jump upwards. Okay, that is y-axis, isn't it? So I'm going to change this to maybe like 200. Okay, if you want to jump more higher, you can change it. Okay, now let us see this. Let us run. Okay, here I am. I'm just gonna go on this. Oh, wow, it's working. Okay, so your basic thing is done. Now you have to just place it in the proper position. Understood, class? Is it hard? I don't think so. Is it hard? No, right? Not at all. So if you want to place it here, you can place it here. See, I'm not focusing right now on much designing part. Okay, okay, you can design it according to whatever you feel like, whatever you imagine about. Yeah, you can take one more of this. Okay, and just go a little higher. Okay, so that you jump like a step here too. Okay, so that is how you can create your trampoline. Okay, trampoline is done. Yes, Nikki, you have question? Just put it in the chat if you can. Okay, just let me do this last thing, class, and then I will take your question. Okay, now not only this, you can create a lot of other things also, class. You can make the object move from right and left using this assembly linear. Okay, you can also make different things. Okay, you can make steps. When you touch the step, okay, it can disappear and come back again. Okay, you can make the humanoid, okay, get destroyed. Okay, all that stuff you can do it. Okay, I think I will tell you now how to publish it quickly. What happened? Praksha, sleepy? Okay, now on the right top corner, do you see a file? Okay, when you click on file, okay, there is save to file as. Okay, you can save to Roblox as also. Okay, once you click here, okay, there will be few options there. Okay, and then at the bottom, just a second. Okay, do you see at the bottom you have create new game? Okay, that will be your new server. Okay, so you can go ahead and create new game here and write whatever title you want to write. Okay, consider I will write demo hobby. Okay, and then you can save it. Okay, now it is saved. Okay, it is not published, but it is saved. Okay, you can modify it, but class, if you're modifying or if you're updating, don't create every time new server. Okay, don't make every time new server. Okay, consider if you go on file again and you want to save as Roblox again, so don't create new game again. Just go back to the original one which you have already created. Okay, you can overwrite it. Okay, so that update will be overwritten. Okay, and lastly, this is how you publish file, and then you have publish to Roblox. Okay, once you click here, it will be published. Okay, then go back on the main thing where you have created your site. Okay, and there will be an option called as publish. There you can click and publish. Okay, understood, everyone? Okay, I think that's good. I'm going to stop sharing. And any, okay. Okay, any questions, class? How do we get background? Okay, that was a good question. Okay, I'll show you. Let me go back. Okay, if you want any background, okay. Okay, consider you want this base plate, any image. So on the left side, you have images. Okay, you can go on this image and you can choose any. Consider I choose grass, maybe grass texture. Okay, if you have that, you can just use it. And then what you have to do, consider you want this texture, just get it back here. Okay, here you go. Just drag it and leave it. Okay, if you don't want this, you can, on the right side, there is a delete option. Okay, on the base plate, right side, click on the base plate. You can see decal, or you can see texture. Whichever you don't want, you can delete. Okay, if I'm deleting texture, so this decal, okay, this will be deleted. Okay, decal. You can use something else also. Just drag it and drop it. If you want to change the spun also, you can do it. If you want to remove the star from the top, you can do that too. Okay, click here and delete the decal. Okay, you can delete it. And if you want to get that back, Control Z or Z, you can say. Or if you want something else, you can use that image as well. Easy. So Roblox is not hard. It's pretty easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Yeah. Okay, any other questions? Okay. Sorry, you can just so you can just unmute them so that I can have their questions. Okay, I think. Okay, class. So in the chat, you can put the question. In the chat, if you have any questions, you can just quickly put it, then we will wind it up. No questions? Okay. Okay, Nikki or anyone is having any questions so that we can take questions? Okay, I can see. Okay. Okay, then. I don't think anyone is having any questions. Okay. Okay, chat is disabled. Okay, class, fine. So I think you enjoyed today's class. I'm going to take quick questions. If you can just try to answer them in the chat. So that would be great. Okay. Just a second. Okay, here you go. Okay, Jannat is having a doubt. Let me search. Okay. 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 Fine. Jannat says, how do we change the background like the sky? Okay. I think that is how the question is. Okay. Okay. Let me share. I'm sharing. Okay. Just a second. Can you? Okay. Let me. Oh, sorry. Oops. Sorry. When you use the variable platform, it was just a variable. How did it change the transparency? Okay, fine. I'll tell you that. Okay. Let me first share my screen, which I'm not able to share. Okay, first thing I want to show you how to change this background sky. Okay, on the left side, you have models. Okay, you have models there. Now, if you put a sky here, okay, or any other image or anything you want, okay, what you have to do, consider you want this one, okay, Halloween sky, whatever. Just pick this up, drag it on the sky. Okay, that is how you do it. Okay, that means it becomes your Halloween sky. So scary. Just a second. Fine, class. So I hope you have understood this. And about the last thing, I want to show you this. Where did it go? Okay, about the platform thing. Somebody was asking about this. See this platform. Okay, this is a variable.
I have a question.
Hold it. Wait. Now this platform, what is happening here? Everything, whatever you write inside the script.parent, it will come to the platform. So I hope you have understood this. And about the last thing, I want to show
Ma'am.
you. Just a second. Okay, about the platform thing.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
See this
Can you please
platform.
share us?
This is a variable.
Ma'am. May you please share us the link to download Roblox Studio?
This platform,
I know the link. Can I
you
send
write
it to the chat?
Yeah, you can send it to the chat. And one more thing, class, I'm sending you an attendance.
I don't have the link.
Ma'am.
Wait. I'm sending you an attendance sheet. Okay. Attendance sheet. I'm sending it to you.
Sending it in the chat.
Yeah, I'm sending an attendance sheet in the chat. Do fill it. Okay, so that we'll come to know that you have attended and sending you an
Yes,
attendance.
I don't have to wait.
Okay, yes, tell me. One by
What
one.
was the constant?
Sheet. Okay.
The link is in the chat.
ma'am. The chat is still
What
disabled
is the X?
to send the attendance sheet.
In the chat, do fill it. Yes, tell me.
What is script?
I don't have to wait. Ma'am,
Yes, 1 minute. Yes. One
What
minute.
was the constant?
Excuse me, miss.
Just a second. Yes.
The chat is still
What is the X?
I have a question.
send the attendance sheet.
I have put the attendance sheet. If everyone can see it.
Ma'am, I joined at 5:30. The class was started.
Ma'am, may you please send the link to download Roblox Studio?
Roblox Studio.
I
May you please send the link to download it?
Ma'am, you wanted me to unmute
Thank you, ma'am.
I have put the attendance sheet. If everyone can see it. Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
I cannot download
First you have to sign in. First you have to sign in.
Do we make a player die if he touches something? How do we make a player die if he touches something?
Ma'am, you were trying to unmute me. Ma'am, is that if we want to attend more classes of this, so that's for that only we have to log in that sheet. You said
No. You are attending today's workshop, right? For that you need to. Okay.
Ma'am.
Now you know.
And when will be the next class? When is the next class?
One by one. Class. I have wait. I have actually put how you can download the Roblox Studio. Okay. The link is
I
there.
gave the exact same link.
the website.
I have
filled the attendance session.
When will be the next class?
Okay. Now class, listen to me.
When will be the next class?
I'll tell you. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
This Roblox we have newly launched. Okay, for attending more classes, you have to enroll for the class. Okay, you can just talk to your RM or your respective teachers if you want to enroll for Roblox.
Yes,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I have a
What about creating like a
consonant?
score variable? Like if you want to increase the score of something.
Score variable?
Yeah.
Yes,
Like
ma'am.
we want to like
Just
make a
like
player
the
die
name on
if
the
he
top
touches
right of your
something.
name.
What do we do?
Okay, hold it. So there is a different set of code. Okay, you have to do it on your player. Okay, that there is one more block called GUI. Okay, first you have to create that. Okay, GUI, and then you have to code on that, and that has to be done in local scripting. Okay, so that is a different set of code which you will be learning in your classes.
Miss?
Yes.
How do we make a player die if it touches something or anything?
You basically you first detect the humanoid when it touches the object that it is.
We make it from sensing. We get that, we get that code from sensing.
Okay. Now the
No,
thing
no, you
is,
don't.
wait. The thing is, there is okay, class, wait. So this question is, when the player touches something, it dies. Okay, there is a touch event. Okay, touched event you have to use. Yes.
Can I answer this?
Yeah, sure.
So basically, there is a touch event in Roblox that basically, when it touches something, it triggers an event that happens.
Okay.
So, for example, if your local player, if it touches the block that it's not supposed to, then you can make a trigger happen. So what you do is that you find the children of the player, and then when you find the humanoid, you turn its health to 0.
Okay. Thank you so much. Yes, Vrushali.
I have a question.
Okay, class. See, now all the questions I've already taken. Okay, now we are just crossing the line of our time.
Should we leave?
Yes, you can. Okay, I hope you have filled your attendance sheet. Okay.
Yeah,
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
filling.
I have filled my attendance.
I'm filling.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, there is a newly curriculum launch. You can definitely join and enjoy Roblox more in detail.
Oh.
Okay. Yes. Whoever has
Is
doubt,
there
you
going
can.
to be another
Ma'am, I
Roblox
had a doubt.
workshop?
Yes, tell me. Yeah, definitely. Maybe in the future you might have. Not sure, but maybe.
Excuse me, ma'am, I had a doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, just now you had made the Roblox, that trampoline one.
Yeah.
So how did you copy it? Like we had used the shortcut Control plus C.
Or D?
D is better. D is better. Control D is better. Okay. If you want to use Control C, Control V, you can use that too.
But there is something else for the Control C command. There's something else for that.
You can actually go on the part. Okay. Right click and you can duplicate it.
I have a doubt.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
What is the
Z-axis?
Okay, I'll tell you. Yes. Who is this? Yeah. When you use a variable platform, it was a value, but how did you make it change the transparency? Okay, now first thing, when we used platform, okay, it was a variable from where we have taken all the values of script.parent. Okay, now inside that script.parent, what does parent mean? Parent is the part which we are using. Parent is the part. Okay, in the part we have a transparency. Okay.
Ma'am, I kind of joined late, so I didn't see much of the class.
No problem. I think you will be shared this video. I think so. You'll be shared this video. So you can just go through the video.
When you use a variable platform, it was a value, but how did you make it change transparent or something like that?
That's what I was explaining. Okay. Variable platform. On the top, when you use that local platform, okay, and put script.parent inside, okay, all the values of parent comes inside the platform. Okay, now what is our parent? Parent is nothing but the part, okay, the block that you use. Okay, now in that block, okay, in that block you have certain properties. Okay, what properties we have used? Two properties, can collide and transparency. Okay, so from that properties I have taken transparency, okay, and made it 0, okay, whenever I wanted 0, and made it 1 whenever I want 1. Got it?
Ma'am.
Okay. Can show the code to make the player die. Okay.
Oh my god.
Not now. Okay, not now. Okay, we are already running out of time. Maybe when you
Make the player die.
Yes, I have one doubt. How do you create the object?
Sorry, how do you?
Anchor the object.
Sorry, I don't understand. How do you what?
Anchor.
Anchor. There is a properties on the top also, and when you click on any part, okay, in their properties you will see anchored. So you click on it. That's it.
I have a question.
Yeah, tell me.
How do we get the link for the video?
This one. Okay, I think you have already enrolled with Codingal, right?
Yes.
Yes, you will get it. You can ask your teacher, okay, to do it. So probably she will help you, or yeah, the team will be sending you the link, or else either of the cases.
Okay.
Okay, dear. Okay, class, we are going to end the class right now.
Can I just ask one last thing?
Yeah.
How do we create on an iPad?
You can't.
Yeah,
You can't. That's the problem.
Either of the cases.
We can create all.
No, the thing
No,
is,
you can't.
if you can
Roblox
download,
Studio.
yeah, if you can download
Roblox
Roblox Studio, good enough, because it needs certain RAM to be downloaded.
Please. How do you make a game cost
You can't
Robux?
do it on an iPad.
Okay, class, I just joined now. Where do we do the coding? Okay, we do coding on the script. When you click or when you go on part, there is right side, there is a plus sign. Okay, click on the plus sign, there is a script. You click on the script and there you do the coding.
Excuse me.
Yes.
How do you make a game cost Robux?
Sorry, can you ask again?
Why do you want
make
Roblox from the player? Why do you want to get Roblox from the player?
How do we open script?
like Bloxburg?
How do we open script?
So I'm so sorry, I'm not able to understand.
He said,
Miss, can you pause?
How do we open script?
Open script.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to open script? Okay, just
Yeah.
let me show you for the last time, class. I hope everyone's there.
I'm reading
Miss, I cannot see your screen.
I'm sharing. Okay, now you're here. Okay, do you see this part on the right side? Okay, on the right side, do you see the part and there is a plus sign? When you click on the plus sign, there is a script. So when you click on script, okay, there you go. Here you write your script. Okay, simple.
Yeah.
Okay, class, fine. I think everyone enjoyed, and here we come to an end.
Hold up.
Yes, more.
Wait.
Yansh, yeah, you can tell me. Yes, you can tell me.
What are you doing in my class?
What happened? Yes, tell me.
You are mute.
Yes, tell me, more.
Yeah, I want to say I didn't with the presenty thing.
Why are you in my class?
It's in the chat. It's in the chat. Will you show the code to make player die? Okay, we will do it later. Okay, because it is going to take a little time to do that.
That's all, they die.
Okay. But when did I ask? What? When did I what? Okay, but when will you show? Okay, when will I show? When you enroll for it. When you enroll for the class, I'll show it to you. Okay. But I must tell you, it's very easy. Very easy. It hardly 3 to 4 lines of code. Okay.
Yeah, it is actually very easy just to.
Correct. Okay, class. Here we come to an end. I probably will.
This class was fun.
Yeah, close it. Okay.
Yes.
So bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, everyone. Have a great day.
Bye.
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 Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am.
Same to you,
Bye, ma'am.
everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Jeez.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye. Have a nice day.